Hello everyone, this is Irene Numero, and for this video, we will be solving a sample problem about soil compaction. The maximum and minimum dry unit weights of a sand were determined in the laboratory to be 18.31 kN per cubic meter and 15.25 kN per cubic meter respectively. We are tasked to determine the relative compaction in the field if the relative density is 64%, and next is to determine the dry unit weight in the field. So, first, we are to determine the given. So, the given is minimum dry unit weight is 15.25 kilonewton per cubic meter. And the unit dry for maximum is 18.31 cubic meter. So, A, we will find the relative compaction. So, the formula for relative compaction is RO over 1 minus dr multiplied to 1 minus RO. So, we don't have the value for RO, so we ato na siya isolve. So, RO is equals to minimum dry unit weight over maximum dry unit weight. So, RO, the minimum over the maximum. So, we have the value of RO, which is 0.8329. So, now we can solve for the relative compaction. Substitute the following values. So, we have 0.933 or in percent, 93.3%. So, one na siya ang ato relative compaction. Next is the dry unit weight in the field. So, using this formula, so we will be using this value to get the dry unit weight of the field. So 0.933 so we have So that's all for my video.